Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. But anyways, we are back today with another shoe review, and you guys already see by the shirt, man. J's on ice, man. J's on ice, and that's exactly what we have today. The J's on ice. If you guys can't tell by the box, it's a Jordan 1, and you guys should know by the title. It is the Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. I think that's what CMFT stands for, right? Zoom Comfort PSG Jordan 1s. Big shout out to my man Unknown Soles for assisting me on these again. I wasn't able to get them in store because I guess late shipments, and these were pretty limited, man. They're like a lot of stores only got a few pairs. They're saying like 12 pairs or like 24 pairs, which is pretty limited for a Zoom Comfort. Usually Zoom Comforts, they produce like pretty high, but this is the PSG colorway, so I guess that it was pretty limited. Also released on the sneakers app. I didn't even wake up for that one, to be honest. Like, I overslept, and by the time I got up, it was like 10:09. I was like, I forgot something today. And then next thing you know, I was like, damn, forgot the Zoom Comforts. But it is what it is. My boy Glenn hit on Nike, so you know, he got the 8.5. He was like, yo, I got you with the review. So I'm like, bet. Now let's get into the unboxing, man. As you guys could tell by the box right here, it's the Jordan 1 box, but there's a little bit twist to it. It has the cardboard color, that brown, with the black Nike check going all around. The size tag right here, this is an 8.5. And retail on these was only $140. That's the thing about Zoom Comforts. Retail is only $140, and the color code reads white/black/psychic purple. It's a pretty clean colorway. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Without further ado, let's look at the sneaker, man. So lifting up the box, on the inside, nothing special. It's just this brown. But the first thing you notice is that it is wrapped up differently than usually how Jordan 1s are wrapped up. It has this thing right here. I don't even know what this is. It was going over. It has the Air Jordan Wings logo coming all around, and on the inside it tells you the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort with the breakdown. Let me give you guys a quick little look right there. There's like a bunch of stuff. This is actually pretty cool. They're showing you like the different technology in here. So I guess there's a zoom unit in the back. Boom, comfortable. And then the collar is made from 2 free floating foam handles. More relaxed fit. That's lit. And then they got foam pods underneath the perforated lining in both. Yeah, whatever, man, whatever. Let's just take a look at the sneaker. So here's the sneaker right here. It's coming in this paper. It says N. Oh no, that's a Z. I'm tweaking. I said N. If you look at it this way, it is an N. If you look at it this way, it's Z. So yeah, man. So let's unwrap this thing. And here we have the sneaker, man. The only color that's kind of like throwing me off is this like beige, or yeah, I don't even know what color that is. It's like a grayish, but it's suede, and it's also on a toe box. I felt like if they kept it off white, like the midsole right here, that would be fire. But yeah, let's just cut to a B-roll so you guys can have a closer up look on the details and all that. So let's cut to that, and then I'll come back, wrap things up with the colorway breakdown and the whole review, man. Let's cut to that. Now coming back from the B-roll, hope you guys took a good look at all the details. This shoe has a pretty unique color blocking. The main thing I want to point out is the Nike swoosh. This is in a 3M, So as you guys could tell, like when different parts of the light hit it, it kind of changes colors. And that is also another feature that is huge on the shoe, is like the gradient look. So as you guys could see, it goes from like purple, this is what they're calling psychic purple, I guess. It goes from purple to the pink color in the back, and that follows throughout other features such as the wings logo and Paris logo in the back with the Jumpman, and also on the Zoom Air on the tongue right here, man. Now as for other parts of the shoe, it's definitely a much more simple color blocking. You have this material right here, I don't even know what this is. This feels like a recycled material, and it's in that like beige colors, kind of like a grayish beige color, and it has the same color right here on the mid panel and the inside. And the rest of the shoe is mainly black, as you guys can tell, around the toe and up. Same thing on the heel and on the back. The outsole does have two different colors. It has the black on the outside outlining this purple, I guess, and then the midsole is in the off-white. The tongue goes from that beige into the black. Now the crazy thing about this shoe is the material, man. They're using different materials to make the Jordan 1 more comfortable, which I can respect, and they lowered the price point, but there's no leather on this sneaker. So the main upgrade on these tech wise would be the Nike Zoom unit in the heel. That is like a huge upgrade, because Jordan 1s are usually flat, there's no technology in there. So with that upgrade, that's a major bonus. Another thing that they're using is like two different foams right here. They're saying for maximum comfort. I never had a problem with Jordan 1, the sock liner part or my ankle, but if they say it's more comfortable, I guess it's more comfortable. But it's pretty weird though, using all this material with the raw cut edges and then not having any type of leather in the Jordan 1. Jordan 1 is usually known for like its leather material, but it is what it is, and it's a pretty unique looking shoe. Another thing is that it comes with black laces, and it comes with an extra pair of this, I guess, blue or purple, and then an extra pair of pink laces right here. I would believe that sizing on these is the same as a Jordan 1. It's not much different, only the material is different. The shape and everything looks the same. So I would suggest going true to size, and if that is a little too big, go down half a size. And with that, let's hop into comfort, man. These definitely seem a lot more comfortable. I did try on a pair. I didn't do an on feet on them, because I don't know, man, I feel like, yo, I might mess up the material on these, and I'm not going to be wearing them. So yeah, but trying them on, they are pretty comfortable. You can feel the Zoom unit in the back, but the other material is a lot lighter shoe. Like this thing is super light in hand because it's made up of like not leather, it's like foam. So yeah, there's that. It's pretty comfortable, but at the end of the day, it's still like kind of flat. So I'll give it like a 7.5, like 8 out of 10, as opposed to the 6.5 I give Jordan 1s. So yeah, you know, it's an upgrade, but it's not a huge upgrade, man. With that being said, let's talk about the resale on these, man. The resale on these was actually really good. Since retail is only $140, they're selling for like $280 to $300 on the secondary market, with pairs being limited. It was supposed to be a pretty widely available shoe, but then I don't know what Foot Sites is doing with their inventory and stuff because of some late shipments and stuff like that. I'm really tired of saying late shipments, so I'm gonna do a video on that, covering like why Foot Locker is having late shipments and this, that, and the third, because of what I heard and, you know, different stuff, man. So yeah, it was pretty limited. So the demand on these was pretty high because of the unique colorway and the PSG collab, and I personally wasn't able to pick up a pair, so these would just like flew under my radar, I guess. But if you guys are looking into reselling these, I probably think that they will stay around the 300 range, probably like 250, 300 range. I don't think they're gonna go like much higher, just because it's not an OG Jordan 1, and it doesn't even have like the leather. At least like some mids, they're made from leather, so like people will like them. The only thing that's keeping this afloat is the unique colorway and the PSG collab, so that will keep the sneaker from 250 to 300. Do I think it's gonna drop a little bit? Maybe, but since supply was so low, I think it's just gonna stay around like the 300 range, like 250, 300 right now, and then probably like the 300, low 300 range going into the future, man. Now, to wrap things up with my final opinion on these, I do think that this is a pretty cool looking sneaker. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The features are pretty cool, and the comfort upgrades that they made, they're trying to do something. But a lot of people saying like Zoom comforts are the new mids, like they're about to drop OD Zoom comforts. but it still has that high look, but it's not a Jordan 1 OG high. So therefore, you know, I don't feel like Zoom Comforts are gonna be like a wave. Maybe, but it won't be on my wave. A perfect shoe to compare these two probably is the Jordan 1 AKJOs. Even though they released the AKJOs in OG classic colorways, even if they do this, I feel like it's gonna be the same. But people used to rock AJKOs back in the day because they wasn't able to get their hands on the OG classics. But now I feel like everybody's able to get their hands on OG classics. So yeah, they're probably just gonna pass on these. But still a very unique shoe. Upgrade on the comfort side, but it'll be a pass for me. This colorway is pretty unique, so I wouldn't be mad if I seen people rocking it. And that wraps up this video. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Comment down below your opinions and thoughts on this sneaker and how release day went for you guys, man. And y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.